Alright, what's up everybody? This is Jamie with Barnett Painting. We're out here doing this new house for Taylor Homes. I don't know if any of y'all ever had this problem or not. We sprayed all our doors here and the floor guys took them the very next day and stacked them all together in this room right here. And they all stuck. So they all got messed up around the edges of the doors. You can see on this one right here a little bit and right there. But they were messed up everywhere. But the way to fix these doors after they're sprayed, instead of coming in here with your brush, you're going to leave brush marks all over it. Use one of these right here, this little whiz roller. And then you got to make sure you got it on an even coat and you feather it out right. But you take it and you just roll it on here like this and feather it out. Make sure it's all even and everything. And this is how you fix your doors if they're sprayed and they get messed up. And when they dry out, you'll never even see none of this right here at all. It's a lot better than using a brush. If you use a brush, of course you're going to have brush marks. So you get your little whiz roller like this. They sell them everywhere. Sherwin-Williams, Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever. You just get your little whiz roller like this and you just roll the doors out. You can see this section right here. I rolled it out yesterday. And you see how it dries. It looks like it's sprayed finish. And you can see how it's on here, right here, where I just now rolled it out. When that dries, it'll dry just like this section right here, like it's been sprayed. And that's how you fix your doors if they've been sprayed and somebody messes them up. So that way you don't have the brush marks and everything on them. Alright, thanks for the video. I hope y'all like it. And subscribe. We'll keep posting videos on how to paint, how to fix problems. And hopefully y'all like the videos. Thanks.